What's going on, guys? I figured I'd do a video on tire shine today. Seeing how in Florida it is horrible, and I mean horrible, with the pollen and whatnot. So tires look okay, so I figure I'd see if I can get them a little shinier than what they are now. And I got 3 products. We got Chemical Guys Tire Shine, we got Adams Tire Shine, and we got the tried and true Turtle Wax tire foam. So let's see if we can shine these tires up, see which one looks better. Alright, first one on the list, Chemical Guys Tire Shine. Let's try this. Ooh, I gotta open it up. There it is. It's bike week here in Florida, so you hear some motorcycles behind us. Let's see how this looks. Okay, there's that one. Okay, next one is Adams Tire Shine, and I don't know if there was a sprayer, like it came with a cap, but I had to pour it in the rag. So let's see what I can make happen. I wasn't sure how much to put. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, and that was Adams Tire Shine. By the way, the Adams Tire Shine, it smells like bananas. Okay, now for the tried and true Turtle Wax tire foam. This is easily my favorite one, and this is why. And you just come back in a few minutes. No wipe, no nothing. Good for 4-wheel drive tires. Maybe not mine, but I mean mine are kind of aggressive on the sidewall, but not like some of them. Okay, we come back in a few minutes. Okay, so this is what Chemical Guys Tire Shine looks like. It's kind of, I mean, they're clean, but it's kind of just matte. There's not really a shine or anything to it. It's just clean looking. And we go back here to Adams. It's got a little bit of a shine on it. It's not greasy, just clean looking. Yep, it's not greasy. Then again, I didn't know how much to use, but I just put a little bit on the towel. And then we go over here. To the no touch. Oh man, it's still wet. It's in the process of drying. Guess I'll have to come back later.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, let's see how the turtle wax looks. That's approximately 5 minutes later. Nice sheen. Clean. It's greasy though. And not too bad, I guess. I mean, you can still snap your fingers, but it is greasy. But that's how that looks. Not too bad. So anyways, that's the 3 products that I used. Chemical dyes, Adams, and turtle wax tire foam. Spray on, wipe on, spray on and leave, I guess. Hopefully this video helped you out.